Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Relaxed Bee. This is Tayo Sophie. On today's episode, I am going to be walking you through my favorite oil mix that I add to all of my deep conditioners, so keep watching. Alright, so let's get into it. So for my oil mix, I always like to have it stored away in a pre-measured applicator bottle. This way I can easily track how much of each oil I'm adding into the mix. And also for my wash days, it's easier for me to just reach for one bottle of oil versus the 5 or 10 different oils that I tend to add throughout my deep conditioning process. So I just find this to be a lot more effective. I will walk you through all the different details about the different types of oils that I am adding to this mix, but oils are a great way to boost the effectiveness of your deep conditioning routine. They're a great way to just add a lot of moisture, vitamins, and nutrients to your hair and also your scalp, and just keeping your hair hydrated and also moisturized. I find that oils have been very effective in strengthening my hair, improving the health of my overall hair strands, and also helping me in maintaining a healthy scalp. And my scalp has been a lot less itchy. So I'm starting my oil mix with everyone's OG favorite Jamaican Black Castor Oil. As we all know, it's great for promoting hair growth, moisturizing dry hair, strengthening your hair strands, and really helping you to prevent hair breakage. It's also rich in vitamin E, omega-6, and omega-9, which all work together to help you keep a healthy scalp. Now following up with a little bit of avocado oil, which is rich in a lot of fatty acids, vitamin A, vitamin B, and vitamin E, which all help moisturize the hair as well as maintain the health of your scalp. And my absolute favorite deep conditioning oil, mustard seed oil. This is a popular Ayurvedic oil that's known to be a great natural conditioner that nourishes not only the hair but also the scalp. It helps in reducing inflammation on the scalp. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties that help prevent dandruff, improve blood circulation, and aid hair growth. And then a bit of olive oil, which is great at boosting moisture to the hair, increasing hair growth, improving the strength of the hair shaft, which helps in preventing split ends and also reducing breakage. I'll be adding a bit of peppermint oil, about 20 to 30 drops. Peppermint oil has a very tingling menthol sensation, which is great for stimulating blood circulation to your scalp. And finally, a few drops of rosemary essential oil. This is the one oil that dermatologists actually recommend to help manage hair loss. It's rich in vitamin A, C, B, and folate. And that's it. I give this a nice strong shake and it's ready to be used in any of my deep conditioning sessions. I would either use this to mix within my deep conditioners or as a hot oil treatment, and it's a nice boost to give me additional nutrients, antioxidants that my hair loves. And it's also been very beneficial in improving the health of my scalp. Let me know in the comment section, is this a video that you guys found useful? Are there any different oils that you actually like to use? Any oils that you find that has been helpful in your hair growth journey? Share in the comments below. Thank you, like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one.